Hello everybody, thanks for being here again for this new video. This time I'm going to start with this old footage of when I removed the control box of the motor. That's because this time I'm going to fully restore it before placing it again on the boat. I started by totally disassembling it and trying to figure out how it was working, as I never ever opened one. I then started removing all the parts that were totally soaked in old grease. After cleaning every single screw, I sanded it with light grit. And repainted it with clear varnish for the logos and indicators. And I used original Yamaha blue paint for the rest. This ocean blue is also the original color of the engine that I'm going to respray before fitting it again on the boat. After painting, I reassembled everything together, and I think it came out really good. Next, for this video, I decided to build from scratch new oarlocks supports. So I started by cutting to size 2 pieces of wood with a table saw. Then I smoothed out all the corners of the new support. With the help of different sandpapers, I took back to shine the actual oarlocks, and I give a hand of varnish to the supports before mounting everything back together. Finally, we now get to the windshield. As it's made of plexiglass, I'm going to try taking it back to shape with sanding process, using different sand grits. After the highest I was able to find, that was a superfine 2000 grit, I completed the job treating it with a normal polish. I applied the polish with my orbital sander set to a mid-low speed. It was a long process, as I tried to achieve the best possible result, but after all, it looked really nice. Before placing it again on the boat, I also gave some fresh spray paint to the metal trims. Everything went back together really well. The only problem was that the upper trim is no longer screwed onto the border of the boat, because its terminal parts were really oxidated and I decided to cut them off. In the next video I'm going to find a solution for that and anchor the thing safely, but for now it was all the work. Thanks for getting this far. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you again in the next episode.